Hello, John Rhodes here and welcome back. Big hello to all my subscribers, and for those of you that have only just found the channel, why not hit the little button now and subscribe? This is part of the vlog series, short snappy little videos demonstrating cases that have come into the clinic. And in this case it's a cracked tooth. I have covered cracked teeth in several other videos and I'll show some links in this one. But this mandibular second molar had a nasty crack in it, descending down the distal root. See how I managed it. I hope you enjoy it. Here you can see the preoperative radiograph of the mandibular left second molar. The tooth had been referred in for root canal retreatment as there's a periapical radiolucency at the apex of the distal root. The existing restoration looked quite reasonable, however there was a crack visible on the distal aspect. I couldn't detect any periodontal probing, however, and couldn't tell whether the crack descended subgingivally. On the radiograph I could see the periapical radiolucency quite clearly. The root treatment looked quite good. I was looking for any sign of marginal bone loss which might indicate that there was a terminal crack in the tooth. A small volume CBCT was exposed in this case primarily to check whether any root canals had been missed, as the previous root filling looked quite good on the periapical radiograph. CBCT is not a reliable way of checking for cracks in teeth, however you can see things on the image that may indicate that there is one. In this case you can see the periapical radiolucency quite clearly, and in this individual slice there's also bone loss distal to that distal root of the molar. An indication of bone loss marginally may also highlight the presence of a crack. Further investigation was carried out under the operating microscope, and here at high power you can see that the crack propagates to the orifice of the distal canal. Once I'd removed some GP, it was obvious that the crack was descending down the root, and unfortunately there's only one recourse for a tooth like this. It has to be extracted. And here sadly is that distal root, with the crack very evident. Well, I do hope you enjoyed that presentation. There's a link coming up for the video on management of cracked teeth. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and above all, enjoy your endo.